To start this lesson, we're going to be looking at what a function is, what's the domain of the function, and the range, and how to evaluate functions. So the first thing we need is a definition for a function, and it is a group of ordered pairs which for every x there is one and only one y. That means the x values cannot be repeated, that for every x, there's one and only one y. So I'm going to look at a couple examples. This is number 15. It's in your book on page 211. This one is not a function because it is a function because every x is paired with only one y. Each person only has one birthday. Looking over at number 20, this one is not a function because Bob is paired with both Beth and Diane. And to be a function, every x can only be paired with one y. Number 19 is not a function because 20 hours is paired with both 200 and 300. That doesn't work. The y can be repeated, but not the x. Number 22, it is a function because every one of these is paired with exactly one of these. So that's one way we can list a function. This is called a mapping when it's done like this. And you look to see if there's an x that's paired with more than one y. Another way to have a function is what's called a roster. And that's the group from 23 through 30, where they actually list out the ordered pairs. Now, I'm looking at 23 and I see the x values are 2, -3, 4, 2. That's a problem. 2 is paired with 6, 2 is paired with 10. Therefore, number 23 is not a function. Number 24, the x values are -2, -1, 3, 4. None of those are repeated. It is a function. Number 25, the x values are 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a function. It doesn't matter that the y values are all 3. It's only what happens with the x values. If the x values are repeated, it is not a function. Number 26, the x values are 0, 1, 2, 3. None of those are repeated. It is a function. I'd like for you to stop the video or pause the video at this point and answer on your paper 27, 28, 29, and 30, yes or no, are they a function? You should now have answers for the last four. Number 27, your answer should be no, because -2 is paired with both 4 and 6. Number 28, your answer should be no, because -4 is paired with 4 and -4 is paired with 0. Number 29, your answer should be yes. And number 30, your answer should be yes. So, to recap, a function is a set of ordered pairs where every x is paired with one and only one y. One way to show that pairing is through a mapping. Another way to show that pairing is through a list of ordered pairs.